How to use Anytype for beginners. I'm going to tell you how to use Anytype if you're just getting started. Anytype is like Notion, but offline first, local first, and focused on privacy. When you open the app, you'll start in your home space. Think of it like your digital garden, your notes, projects, and knowledge all live here. To create something, hit the plus icon. Everything you make is an object. Could be a page, a task, a book, even a person. You choose the type, then fill it with content. Text, images, links, checklists, and more. Objects connect to each other with relations. For example, link a task to a project or a book to a category. These links are powerful. They let you build a network of knowledge instead of just folders. Use sets to group project dynamically. Want a reading list? Create a set that shows all objects with a book type. Want a workspace? Filter it by tags, dates, or anything you define. It's private, local, and yours. Welcome to the anti-cloud.